What if I told you that you can take a solid model to G-code in one click? Watch this.
Simply click the Solid to G-code button. The system will find all milling and MillingEDM machinable features. It will machine the part with your preferences and post the G-code. Now the G-code is ready to load into the CNC machine. You will also have the ability to verify the part. For more information and to schedule a live online demo, contact us today.
We've officially taken CAM to the next level. To revolutionize your machining, click the button below for a live demo.